some nighthawk testing.
Hopefully my knot keeps.
Oh no!
I lost my reel! What's up everyone?
Hi viewers.
Welcome to Hooked for Life. Today we at a private dam on a
fishing.
farmer's land again.
Fishing again.
We got permission.
Yes.
So it's a beautiful gem, as you guys can see.
Fishing with father again. He's joining us today.
Yeah, father-in-law did bring us to this beautiful dam, or like they call it, a pond. So we're rigged, waiting for the fish to bite. We'll keep you guys up to date. Cheerios. Phoenix is gonna do a cast for us. It's a beautiful view. Bam!
On the dot.
It looks close, but it's quite a distance. It's a second cast, second rod. She has some SA powder on the ball. Don't think we're gonna see it from here, but let's see if it does something.
A little bit of green.
You can't see it on the camera.
No, it's a bit too far.
Hold on. Father-in-law is gonna throw with his nighthawks.
Go father. Go father.
Just look at this beautiful shirt. Hooked for life.
Exactly. Lekker.
So limpies gegooi.
Fantasties man.
8 o'clock. Ulrich putting on some fresh bait. What do you have as bait?
Almond, maize, and a fire and ice floaty with some barber powder.
Barber powder.
Powder.
Hy het mooi geloop, Willie.
Hy sit 'n bietjie skeef.
Doing some practice casting.
Ready?
Ready. So I got 84, Dad got 94, and now Rotkop's gonna do one.
Radkap's gonna be the winner.
Ja.
He's got longer arms than us.
Je kan hem nie in Timbuktu gaan haal nie.
Kan net op gelyke grond staan.
Ooh.
Yes, hy's 'n fucking groot. Ek hoor hom sommer.
Lekker.
What did you get, Willie?
What did you get?
109.
109. Yeah. 10 o'clock. The wind started picking up. But we are still fishing. Got some bites on the catfish, but no carp. The carp is quiet. What do you have on as bait, my love?
I can't remember, I'm coming to check.
You can't remember.
Honey.
Honey.
Honey and scorpion and almond on the dip, on the bowl.
Ooh.
And then my bobber powder.
And your barber powder. This is the pink stuff.
Yeah. My juicy stuff.
Very nice. Let's do some casting.
This one is gonna go close.
One close and one far. The wind is a bit bad. Second rod.
Sure. Can I go skew?
Lekker. 11 o'clock. Nee, ek het nie gesien nie. 11 o'clock. We are putting on fresh bait again. The wind is really ugly. It's blowing us away. Might be an early day. But let's see. We changed the tactics a bit. See if it changes anything. But we keep you guys updated. Do. No one's gonna bite the dust.
Weet nou ook nie wanneer is dit die wind?
Ja. The wind got very ugly now. Still haven't caught a fishy. So this is how the wind is in our area currently. The trees are helping us a lot. Then I'm gonna walk to that side. And over here we're on the Titanic. Finally, after starting the secret ingredients, the catfish took a run.
Oh, hy was. Wil hy weer?
Toch net als hij komt of hij swings aan.
Ja, hy kom nou.
Daar gaat hy. Lekker! Ek dink hy's oor hierdie een, Dad. Ja. As hy julle is reg.
Ja.
Lekker!
You got a catfish.
Well done!
Thanks, Willie.
Well done, Wim. So father-in-law caught a catfish.
The net is 0, everybody see?
Yeah, see, the net is zeroed.
Okay. there still?
Gee.
Mitch?
Uh,
2.7.
ja, 2.7.
2.735.
Well done, uncle.
Nou moet paar foto geneem saam hom.
Finally we got fishy.
Some nighthawk testing.
Hopefully my knot keeps.
Oh no!
I lost my reel.
Round number 2. Father got a second catfish on the line. I'm still busy rigging up my new bait. Is die water lekker koud?
Oh, wow.
Oh no!
Oh, it's a big one.
Lekker! So we made some egg yellow bread that's currently on all the hooks, and then on this we have red fluoro with the Vicks, and on this one we have green fluoro with Vicks as well. If this doesn't do anything, then this fish is full of shit.
We're slowly but surely packing up, so we're doing a few casts. Like they say, practice makes perfect.
Sit vasgehakt.
Ja, ek het nie uit die dag gedoen het nie. You see, it's on 0. Let's help you.
I got it.
We got it. Okay, I'm gonna pause. We'll see when she reels it in. So what is your guys' guess how far she threw the bowl? I think it's over 100. Sorry, the wind is very bad. It's blowing us away. Yep, rustig.
How many did you say?
Over 100.
What do you guys think? 102.
Wanna see? Can I see? Can't see. Oh, can't see. 1 or 2. Well done, my love.
We were busy packing up and the catfish ran again. And it came loose in the net. Lekker! Lekker fada! As it is, alright, the wind got the best of us. We're packing up. Rotkop is doing the last practice cast for the day. Previously got 146 meters with it.
But not on camera, ne?
But not on camera, unfortunately. So let's see if we can get the 146 again. How did that feel?
Very nice.
Very nice. Oh, the meter is in the bucket. Setting up the line meter. As y'all can see, it is 0. Let's see the end result. How much we got? That smile says everything.
How much you think?
140.
No.
1 31. Nice.